today's topic is going to be texting and driving. If you guys know of anyone that texts and drives, I want you to literally tell them to shove their phone up their ass and go f*** themselves. Because, you know how many wrecks are caused a year? You know how many deaths there are a year because of texting and driving? 1.6 million. And that's in the US. All the people that are in the motorcycle community will agree with me that texting and driving is horrible. Ever since we had all these new iPhones and everything introduced to us, we had all these people getting in wrecks and stuff because they were texting and driving. And that's stupid. By the way, this is going to be a rant, and if you're under the age of like 10, go away now. But yeah. So, just warning you. So yeah, the other day, my dad that knows that I ride motorcycles and everything, he was texting and driving, and I called him out on it. I was like, dude, put away your phone. He was like, no, I don't have to. And I was like, why? And he was like, because I'm an experienced driver. I was like, what the f***? What? How does that make you any less vulnerable to crashing from texting and driving? And I was just like, oh, so you're going to be one of those people that hits me whenever I'm on my motorcycle. And he was like, don't say that. And I was like, okay, well, put away your damn phone. It's true. He just needs to learn that texting and driving is something that no one should do. And anyone will agree with me that texting and driving is a horrible thing. And nobody should do it. Like,
at this moment, he knew he fucked up.
Fuck. God damn my ass. I didn't press on the brake fast enough. That's pretty cool. I fucked my light. Oh, damn it. Well, that sucks. That didn't break. Oh, there's my light broke. Well, shit, that hurt. Damn. That's the third crash I've had on this bike from doing wheelies. My butt's a little torn up. Oh, fuck. Oh, come on, man. Really? Oh. Here's my tail light. Seriously, dude. I'll have to glue that on or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Put that in my pocket. Well, that sucks. That's from my exhaust. Fuck.